gonna be able to make it in time.
In time for what?
In time for your makeover. We need to go visiting. It's Chinese New Year.
I've had my makeover, dear.
Wow, Lily, you look gorgeous.
Thank you, dear. I know I do. Do you like it?
I love it.
Oh, and I love your mermaid hair, girl. It's so pretty.
Thank you. I just got featured in a video. That's the phone. I'm gonna get it.
Alright, more time for my makeup.
Lily, no.
What is it?
All our friends won't be coming there.
Who?
Golden Heart and Western Cutie.
Aren't they just right here?
Huh?
Here they are.
They're here.
And we're all ready, girl. Thankfully, Megcorp Toys have provided these two dolls, which we are going to unbox, and they will be our guests for Chinese New Year.
Hooray! I love unboxing.
I'll unbox Golden Heart.
Sure. And I'll unbox Western Cutie. Hooray! I love an unboxing party.
So here is Golden Heart in her box, and she is really gorgeous. I can't find my rabbit ears, and she's got her hair done up like rabbit ears. Isn't she cute? Let's get her out of the box. Here she is out of the box, completely gorgeous, ready for Chinese New Year, just like me. But when I opened her box, all her surprises fell out. What a surprise.
Surprise? I love surprises.
Shh, girl, it's my turn. You'll get your surprise later.
Sure.
So let's free Golden Heart from her box. So here she is out of her box. We're gonna be great friends, aren't we? Well, she's got pink shoes, which I wasn't so thrilled about at first. But when I took her out of her box, wow, so many details. OMG. And I love her outfit, although I'm not a big fan of pleather. But what I love most about this girl is her hair. It's gorgeous, gorgeously styled, pretty and plum colored, and it is styled like two rabbit ears, just in time for the year of the rabbit. She's got some tinsel in her hair, and because I'm not such a huge fan of tinsel, I'll be pulling it out. It does come out very easily, and it's just on her hairline. So if you want to remove the tinsel, you'll be done in no time. Is this what my new friend is going to be doing all the time? Shall we have a look at the surprises she came with? Here we have... Ooh, wrapped up nicely. Whoa. Hey, they're dropping everywhere. Sunglasses, a necklace, earrings. Oh wait, there's just a pair of earrings, some hair clips. Oh, how pretty. Shall we put it all on her? Gorgeous. Oh yes, we should have taken your stand out for you first. Here we go. There, you can stand just like me, girl, without the need for much support. We've got her magazine here, and also a little poster of her. How pretty to stick in my dollhouse. In the next surprise, she has a telephone. Oh, this is so pretty. Just hold on to it, girl. It's a telephone purse. Why didn't I think of that earlier? And our last and final surprise, we have a... Must be a jacket. Wow. Gorgeous jacket. Made of fur. I hope this material will last for a long time and not peel off. I do love the design of this jacket. Very gorgeous, girl. Alright, off you go. Next we're gonna have Gabriella, and she is going to unbox Western Cutie. I love Western Cutie. Oh, you do say something else besides Let's go.
Are we ready for me? Rolling? My first unbox ever! Here is Western Cutie! Oh, what a cutie she is! I can't wait to get all the surprises out! I think that's how we should whip it out, because earlier on, all the accessories that Lily had spilled out from the bag. Ouch! Before we let her out, let's open her surprises! Ooh, what a big surprise! Wow! A hat! And what is that inside? Ooh, sunglasses! I can wear them too! And a hat! Whoa! Hey, Western Cutie, don't I just look great in these? Next we have, in the cow print, a bag. Oh, how pretty! And last of all, we have, what could it be? Wow! Shoulder pads and a bralette. How pretty! Lovely. Now we're gonna take her out of her. Ooh, I didn't see these fall down. Earrings and necklace. How pretty! Let's get her out of her box. Wow! Here she is out of her box. She looks great. I love the shoes. Wow, these shoes are gorgeous. Love them, love them, love them. The jeans are gorgeous, and she's got such a glittery jacket on. Her hair is blonde. Still has a rubber band here. Blonde and green. Wow, I love her so much. She is a really pretty, gorgeous doll. Love her, love her, love her. Hey, let's just put all her accessories on her. Whee!
again so much, Megcorp Toys, for sending us these dolls to review. They're gonna be our new friends and gonna join us for our reunion dinner.
And you know what's after? And you know what's gonna happen after dinner?
What's gonna happen, dear?
Makeovers! Oh, I tried to cut my bangs on my own, but look what I did. Help me, somebody help me. I've got a date tonight. Hey! Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Please subscribe if you would like to see us give these dolls makeovers. Happy New Year!